Sorry, while recording this portion, my recording got stopped when I was discussing about BET equation. So I'll start from this till there. It was in the first video. Second video will explain this. Okay, so BET equation is B divided by V total into P0 minus P is equal to 1 divided by VMC plus C minus 1 divided by VMC into P by P0. P is the pressure of the gas. P0 is the saturation pressure. V total is the volume of the gas. So total gas எவ்வளோ volume occupy பண்ணியிருக்கோ அது V total. Vm is the volume occupied when the surface of the solid is covered completely with a mono layer of adsorbed molecule. ஒரு moleculeன மேலே one layer ஒரு layer absorb பண்ணும்போது what is the volume அதுதான் Vm. C is BET constant depending on the nature of the gas. And it can be calculated from E, that is heat of adsorption of the first layer, and EL, heat of vaporization of liquefaction of gas. That is EL minus E1 will E raised to EL minus E1 divided by RT will give you what is known as BET. Okay, so this is the BET equation. Now validity when you determine, I have written in different colors this expression. So one is in pink color, one is in green, and one is in violet, one is in the black color. So see the down expression, this expression is also I have written with the same color. So that means what you know this expression. What is this expression? It is known as straight line equation. What is straight line equation? When you have two variables, that is y and x, if you plot this, you should get a straight line, the slope of which will be equal to m. And if you extend this where it intercepts at y, that is what is equal to C minus 1 divided by Vm that is equal to C. Okay, so in the expression paathalu V vandu P divided by V total into P0 minus P. Then C is 1 divided by Vm by C, and m is C minus 1 divided by Vm C. So x vandu P by P0. Appo P by P0 x axis 1 divided by V total into P0 minus P, x axis eduthalu 1 divided by V total into P0 minus P. This x axis eduthalu you should get a straight line, and the straight line the slope it is equal to C minus 1 divided by VMC. அது extend பண்ணும்போது இங்க வந்து இது join பண்ணு அந்த இது வந்து it is equal to 1 divided by VMC. So this is equal to 1 VMC, this is equal to C minus 1 divided by VMC. Okay, so next எடுத்தால slope வந்து C minus 1 divided by VMC, intercept வந்து 1 by VMC. So இது வந்து we can calculate Vm and C. How will we calculate Vm? In the expression you have to use 1 divided by slope plus intercept. Okay, so 1 divided by slope is C minus 1 divided by VMC plus intercept 1 VMC. So in the one this is a graph, fraction. The fraction the denominators is same. So what we can write, 1 divided by C minus 1 plus 1 divided by VMC. Okay, in E minus 1 plus 1 cancel agum. What happens? C divided by V by C 1 this will cancel. So what you get, 1 divided by 1 plus Vm. 1 divided by 1 plus Vm is equal to Vm. So that is what is we get. அதே மாதிரி C is equal to 1 plus slope by intercept. 1 plus what is slope? C minus 1 divided by VMC. That divided by intercept. Intercept is 1 divided by VMC. So இது வந்து what happened? This and this இது வந்து மேலே போகும் இல்லையா? This is equal to 1 plus C minus 1 divided by into VMC divided by 1 வரும் கீழே தானே. அப்போ இதுவும் வந்து it will cancel. This 1 is, so it is equal to 1 plus C minus 1 வரும். So இது cancel ஆகும். This is equal to C. So இது substitute பண்ணும்போது C கிடைக்கும், இது substitute பண்ணும்போது you can get Vm. Okay, so we can calculate volume of the mono layer of the gas adsorbed and also BET constant from the graph. Then application. What is the application of BET adsorption isotherms? It is very important. We can the basis of an important analysis technique for the measurement of total and specific surface area of a material. One material total surface area, specific surface area. What is specific surface area? Total surface area divided by mass of the substance. നമ്മൾ ഒരു 10 കിലോഗ്രാം സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് എടുത്ത് അതിൻ്റെ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ അതേ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസിൻ്റെ 1 കിലോഗ്രാം എടുത്ത് എவ்வளோ വരും? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് സ്പെസിഫിക്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി VM we can calculate from total surface area and specific. Sorry, if we know VM, we can calculate total surface area and specific surface area. Total surface area VM we know how we have to calculate 1 divided by slope plus intercept. So total surface area ST VM into NA into S divided by V. This you can write it as V total also. Okay, so ST is the total surface area. VM is the volume of mono layer of gas adsorbed, that is 1 divided by slope plus intercept. Then Na is Avogadro number we know. S is the cross sectional area of the gas molecule. V is the total volume of gas adsorbed. So we can calculate VM தெரிஞ்சால அது அந்த BET equation the graph in we can find out. Other find out பண்ணியால we can calculate total surface area. Total surface area and specific surface area we can calculate. It is a property of solid defined as the total surface area of the material per unit mass. Per unit mass means mass ne divide mass kondu divide pananum. So SBET specific surface area vanni SBET nu represent panniyala ST divided by M. M is the mass of the solid. So 10 kg eduthalu divided by 10 into 10 to the power 3, that is what is specific surface area. So application one, it is very, very important. So that is the 3 isotherms. So these are the one Freundlich isotherm. X by M is equal to K into P raised to 1 by 1, 1 by N. N and K are constant. Lachmer isotherm is X by M is equal to A into P divided by 1 plus BP, where A and B are constants. BET adsorption isotherm is P divided by V total into P0 minus P is equal to 1 by VMC plus C minus 1 divided by VMC into P by P0. P is the pressure of the gas, P0 is saturation pressure, C is BET constant, VM is volume of mono layer of the gas adsorbed, B total is the total volume of the gas adsorbed. So that is the adsorption isotherms. It's very important. Derivation of Lachmer also important. Study it well. Okay. Now this is the first part. Then again application of adsorption and catalysis is that I'll take in the next class. Okay. I have to tell you one more thing. Now I am attending from last Thursday. I am attending a refresher course in Pondicherry University. It's an online course. So I have to be present from 9:30 to 5:30 with my camera on. I am not even supposed to go out for natural calls, that is restroom and all. We are not allowed to go. We have to switch on the camera and sit front and attend the class. So 9:30 to 5:30 I have. So there is some time constraint for that. So what I have decided is for these 2 weeks, that is up to 21st, I'll take 1 classes. So D6, D1 and D2 I'll take for physical chemistry. For third chemistry students, D4, D5, sorry, D5, D6 and D1 I'll take for allied chemistry. Okay. So tomorrow I'll go for allied chemistry. Then lab, if time permits, I'll put the videos. Otherwise, after 21st I'll put, because for the organic lab I have finished till the functional groups. All the one I have put the virtual labs also. You can kindly go through it and revise it once more. All the videos I have put. So now only the nitrogen containing compound is there. That is amines, amides, diamides, etc. That I'll be putting. Okay. After 21st you have the exams from December 1st only. So kindly bear with me. Till that you can revise all the topics what we have covered, and out of all the things I feel this is the easiest 1. So kindly go through this topic nicely and kindly bear with me. Thank you for today.